Since I cleaned my door like this, money has come pouring in. In this video, we will uncover the secret that changed my financial life forever. Imagine transforming the entrance of your home into a magnet for wealth and abundance. What if I told you that 3 simple rituals could open the doors of prosperity for you? Curious? Stay with me until the end and you will learn powerful and proven practices to attract wealth to your life and home. Before we dive into the details of these transformative practices, I have a special invitation for you. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread this message of prosperity and well-being to even more people. And of course, leave a comment expressing your gratitude to God. Let your words echo into infinity, and may the universe bring you everything you desire. Let's start this journey of transformation together. The first key to attracting prosperity is understanding that our home must be treated as a sanctuary of wealth. It is within this space that our beliefs about worthiness and possibilities are formed. When we transform our home into a sacred environment, we make room for the energy of abundance to flow freely. Lack of money is often linked to internal energy patterns which are reflected in the environment we live in. No matter how hard we try externally, financial difficulties persist until the energy of our home is aligned with prosperity. Therefore, it is essential to perform rituals that positively influence the energy of our living space. I personally experienced this transformation when I started treating my home as a true sanctuary of wealth. Within days, I noticed immediate financial changes. The secret lies in simple but powerful practices that anyone can implement. And that is what I am going to share with you today. Get ready to learn 3 strategies that will transform your home into an engine of prosperity. The first ritual is crucial for eliminating the negative energy that blocks the flow of wealth. For 7 days, you should clean the entrance of your home with a saltwater spray. Salt water has purifying properties that help dissipate negative energies. When applying the spray, visualize a protective shield forming around your door, preventing any negativity from entering. Reinforce this practice with positive affirmations such as, "My home is a sanctuary of wealth and abundance." With the negativity eliminated, it is time to attract prosperity. The second ritual involves using bay leaves, known for their symbolism of luck and money. Dip a bay leaf in water and use this mixture to clean the entrance of your home. While doing this, repeat positive affirmations about wealth such as, "Prosperity flows abundantly to me." Bay leaves are powerful magnets for prosperity and will attract positive energy to your home. To further intensify your financial intentions, the third ritual combines cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves. When used together, these elements amplify wealth intentions. Energize these herbs with your prosperity intentions and strategically spread them throughout the house, focusing on high-activity areas and entrances such as the living room, kitchen, and hallways. While affirming, abundance is present in every corner of this home. Make sure to place a small handful in each corner of these areas, visualizing positive energy expanding and filling the entire space. Leave the herbs in place for at least 7 days, allowing their energetic properties to purify and attract continuous abundance. After this period, collect the herbs and dispose of them respectfully, preferably by burying them or throwing them in running water to return the energy to nature. It is important to remember that these practices do not involve witchcraft, but natural energetic principles and metaphysics. By improving our relationship with money in an ethical and loving way, we promote well-being and prosperity through harmony. What we are doing is aligning our energies with the universal forces of abundance. When our home vibrates at this frequency, prosperity manifests in surprising and rewarding ways. As you practice these rituals, it is important to maintain an attitude of gratitude and confidence. Believe that you deserve prosperity and that it is on its way. Reinforce this daily with positive affirmations and visualizations. See your home as a magnet for wealth, where every corner radiates positive energy. When you maintain this mindset, prosperity has no choice but to manifest. Consistency is crucial. Dedicate yourself to these practices for 7 days and observe the changes. Keep the entrance of your home clean and protected. Use bay leaves regularly and energize your home with the combination of cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves. By doing this, you are creating an environment continuously conducive to prosperity. It is a process of transformation that begins within and reflects outward. To further reinforce the power of this practice, consider incorporating other personal development techniques into your daily routine. Meditation, journaling, and positive affirmations are complementary tools that can help deepen your connection with your desires and maintain an elevated mental state. The key is to create an internal and external environment that supports your goals and dreams. On our channel, we have several videos that can help you with this. Many people fear spiritual practices because they associate them with witchcraft or magic. However, what we are discussing here are natural energetic principles based on ancient traditions. These practices are safe and aim to improve your relationship with money in an ethical and loving way. By harmonizing the energy of your home, you promote well-being and make room for prosperity. It is fascinating how small changes can have such a big impact. Since I started implementing these rituals, my financial life has transformed. Money began to arrive in unexpected and abundant ways. My home has become a true sanctuary of wealth, and I am eternally grateful for it. Now, I want you to experience this transformation for yourself. Put these practices into action and see the magic happen. Remember, prosperity begins within us and is reflected in the environment around us. By treating your home as a sanctuary of wealth and implementing these powerful rituals, you open the doors to abundance. Be consistent, maintain an attitude of gratitude and confidence, and watch your financial life transform. The universe is ready to bring you everything you desire. Just be open to receiving. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these practices today and transform your home into a magnet for prosperity. I believe in you and know that abundance is within your reach. Let's go on this journey of transformation and prosperity together. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave your gratitude in the comments. God is ready to hear you and give you everything you desire. Thank you very much for watching.